right, guys, we're checking out this thumped out Ranger 1500 XD long travel suspension, now paired with the ADS racing shocks. Let's check it out. So we partnered with ADS Racing and developed a kit specific for the long travel on like our Ranger 1500, Defender HD11, even the Expedition, and so many more models coming. But what makes this shock really awesome is that it is a 2.5-inch body. Now, I get it. Don't really know what that means. This is a much larger shock body than most everything that's out there on the market right now. For this style machine, you're typically seeing the 2.0s, the 2-inch bodies. So what this extra capacity does for us, gives us a lot more internal fluid room for damping and improved off-road performance. So keeping the heat dissipated, keeping this shock performing really well over the rough stuff, over a really long day, and the overall quality of this shock just really sets it apart. 100% made in America, and every component on this, from all of the billet CNC machined parts to the clicker knob for the adjustment on the compression, everything on this is just an extremely high quality shock. So we're super happy to partner and offer an excellent option with Thumper Fab specific tuning and all for our long travel suspension on this Ranger 1500.